So hello guys, good morning. Today it was just a random plan. I'm going to Maastricht, Netherlands. So first time since I am here, I am going to cross the borders of Germany. So we are going to Maastricht, a city in southern Netherlands. Guys, so, I am here with one of my friend, classmate, who is going to join me in today's my outing. So I will introduce her. He is Divya. Guys, I have with me Divya, Mrutyunjay. So we have just reached the Maastricht and it took around 1 hour 20 minutes from Aachen Bushof. So now we will be exploring the Maastricht city.
Yes.
So it is located in the southeastern part of the Netherlands, and the Belgium and Germany are sharing borders with the Maastricht. So Maastricht city is a city which is divided by the Maas River. The western side has all the markets, shopping centers. Then now I am on the eastern side of the Maastricht. So here we have the train station, we have the museums. Guys, now I am on the bridge of Maas River. Hello guys, I am now outside the Basilica of Our Lady Church. So this is a Romanesque architecture and was founded in 11th century. Church is dedicated to the Star of the Sea, which is Virgin Mary. Yeah. So this is the entrance of the Basilica of Our Lady. So now let's explore it from the inside. I am now on the Hoge Bridge, and here the bridge is specially built for the tourism purpose, and here also there is a walking pathway. And one thing which I liked about this bridge, like I would like to appreciate it, even on this bridge they have provided the elevator for the for the physically disabled people, or maybe old people can use it. So here, like whenever I visit any tourist places, like they have the proper facilities for the old people, so that they also can enjoy these things. Yeah. So guys, after visiting the Hoge Bridge, I'm going to the city park of the Maastricht, and I have heard that the city park over here is quite a big and it's an aesthetic one. So yeah, let's explore. Like, in my opinion, on sunny day, Europe is something different thing only. Like it looks entirely different compared to a cloudy day, and since I came here in Germany, most of the time it's cloudy. So today it's a perfect time that I have got a sunny day and good weather. Yeah. How is the Maastricht?
I really liked it. We did ice skating here. It costed us around 6 euros for skates and 6 euros for stage and 2 euros for locker. So in total it costed around 14 euro per person. And then we had some food, and then we are going to see the river. But actually we missed the sunset, but maybe next time we'll see it.
And what about this city? Did you like this?
Yeah, it's really organized, clean, and everything is fine here.
In Europe, basically everything is clean only.
Yeah,
But what about the like
still,
aesthetics of city?
it's really good. Like it's quite peaceful here, I would say.
Okay,
Yeah.
and
And
what?
there's less traffic, I would say. People use more bicycles, I've seen.
Yeah. What beautiful view it is. Like really enjoying my time here. It's been a good time and beautiful weather, beautiful evening, and this view along the river. It's too nice. Here I can say this is a peace. Guys, now I am heading to Christmas market of Maastricht. So firstly I would like to tell you more about Christmas market of like what's the idea behind Christmas market. So Christmas markets were started long ago. So the main idea behind the Christmas markets was to enhance the local tourism, to enhance the economy of local people. So whenever there are Christmas markets, lots of people from nearby places around other countries do come. So it enhances their economy, and again these Christmas markets creates the vibe of good vibe, positive vibe of the Christmas. So people do enjoy here. हो क्या amazing lighting है यार. Say hello to my friends.
Hello! Hello, friends! Come eat for the chicken!
So guys, now currently I am heading back to Aachen. It was a wonderful day in Maastricht. So now I have taken RE18, which is regional train, and this train is of Netherlands country, and this is also included in our semester ticket. So this traveler is also free of cost for us. So today was a wonderful day, and hope you will like the vlog, and see you in next vlog.